This is Csec now, and I'll be going through this This is a 2015 past paper for the Geography Paper 1. Alright, without no further said, guys, I'll just jump into these questions real fast. Alright, so number one, what is the grid reference of the school at Golden Grove? Alright, so for this map right here, guys, see Golden Grove is right here. Hope you guys are seeing this. We turn up this my grid a little bit more. Alright, so as you guys could see, Golden Grove is right here, and it says the grid. Alright, so if you're gonna look into this, alright, so we have for Golden Grove we have 27. Let me see if we could read this. 27. Let me see. Alright, let me see. 2734. 2734. Let me see. I'm trying to read this map right here. 273426. Oh, 26. This is the 26 right here on this grid line. Alright. So the answer for this one is 273426, guys, for the answer. Alright? So the answer is A. Number 2. The general direction of Port Morant from Golden Grove is. So Port Morant. So we'd have to look for Port Morant to Golden Grove. So we have Golden Grove right here and Port Morant. So that look like southern east to me. This is Port Morant. Okay, I get it. So we're moving southern west. Alright, southern west. Alright, number 3. The bearing of the main road function of Golden Grove from the main road to junction of the Arcadia Junction near Easton 24 approximately, and it would be 228 degrees. Alright, guys, we'll just jump into the answer real fast because most of these questions are repeats, so you guys will need to just grasp the answer. Alright, number 4. It says, what is the form of the settlement which the church is located? Alright, so we're going to look on this right here. We have the church. This is the key right here. We have the church. And for this answer, we would have between the canal over the river, railway. Out the canal, we have the river. Let's look for the church. These are the church, right, guys? These are the church. So this is a linear. Alright? Number 5. The features passing through P is. Alright, so P is right here, guys. So the feature is a canal. Alright, see? Canal. As you guys could see, if you see the key right here is showing right up here. So we have some canal. Alright? It's pretty obvious. Alright, number 6. What is the location of St. Petersburg? Alright, so St. Petersburg. Alright, we're gonna look for St. Petersburg right here, guys. Alright, so it is 60, as you guys could see, is 60 degrees north. And let me see, and it's 30 degrees, as you guys could see right here, we have 30 degrees east. So you see 30 degrees east right here, guys, and we have 60 degrees north. So for north here, and we have 30 degrees east. Alright, hope you guys understanding this. Alright, it's not hard. Number 7, perhaps, sorry. What is the time in New Orleans when it is 10 p.m. on Monday in St. Petersburg? Sorry, it says in New Orleans. So we have New Orleans right here. And we try to figure out this. 40 degrees Celsius. And in St. Peter, we have 60 degrees Celsius. So for 1 o'clock, it says 1 o'clock p.m. So it's, let me see, it says from 10 to, that would be like approximately 6 hours apart. Yeah, around that. So the answer would be 2 o'clock p.m. on Monday. Alright. Number 8. The direction of the prime meridian from New Orleans is. So we have New Orleans. So the prime meridian from New Orleans, and we would have east. Alright, we have west, we have south, and we have east. Alright, so it would be east, guys. Number 9. What is the type of slope xy? Alright, so we have x to y right here, and this is a scarp. Alright, number 10. It says the approximately gradient from the line AB. So we have A to B. And let's see this. A to B. Alright, so look at this. 50. 74, 40, 51, around 70. This is like around 1 to 40, guys. So it's 1 in 40. Alright. Number 11. On a map extract, the features labeled X. So we have X right here. So it's at 2. Let me see this. I want to get this right. So it's 257,412 on the map. So on this map right here, we would have a confluence. Alright, would have a confluence. Number 12. Let's get into the answer real fast, guys. Alright, the general direction of flow of a black river is, and we have SSW, which is southern southwest. Alright. Number 13. It says which country had the largest percentage decline in people employed in agriculture? So let me check this. Decline. So as you guys could see, we have the Dominican Republic. I'm gonna get them up real fast. Dominican Republic, and it says decline. So if we're gonna check the ratio right here, we have, this would be around like 70, around 70, around 75 to 78, and then we have 80 right here ranking up around 85 to 90, and now it would be more likely, as you guys could see right here, this we are talking about. So as you see, Dominican Republic could drop around like between 20 region, or in between 20 regions. So the answer would be Dominican Republic. All right. Number 14. In 2000, the country with the lowest percentage of people employed in agriculture was, and we're gonna check this. And as you guys could see, this is pretty low. This is near to 0, bro. This is like 1. So we would have Puerto. Let me see. Puerto Rico. All right. For number 15. In which country did employment agriculture decline more than 40% of total population over the period? So let me check it. We would have let me see. You see this real fast. So we would have Dominican Republic, as you guys could see, we have a decline here, and also in Guadeloupe, as you guys could see, this is very low as well. All right, so we'd have Guadeloupe, and let me check Martinique. All right, so as Martinique, we also has Martinique as well. All right, guys. So the answer would be Dominican Republic, Guadeloupe, and Martinique. All right. Number 15. Sorry, not 15, but perhaps 16. Sorry. The shaded area on the map is best described as, so the shaded area right here, and it would best describe as tropics. Alright. Number 17. Which of the following statement about line of latitude is true? So line of latitude, they represent an angular distance north and south of the equator. Alright, so that is the line of latitude. Alright, number 18. Which of the following condition would the flow of river vary most from season to season? So let's check it. For this one, we have January, February, March, April, then we have May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So let's see. In August, we have a range 250. Alright. So this would be 3 is 1. And let me see. Because we have in, let me see, another February, we have a 200 right here. So for number 3 is 1, and this This is 2, so it's I and 3. So the answer will be I and 3, guys. Alright, for number 18. Number 19. Under which of the condition is there a greatest variation in rainfall? Alright, so under this condition, greatest rainfall. Let me see. Alright, so we have 250. We have 100, then we have around 50. So merely that would be in the graph rainfall 1. Alright, so the answer is A for number 19. Number 20. It says, the feature found at T on the map are, so the feature found on T right here, guys, are, let's find T. So we have T right here, and it would be a bay and beach. As you guys can see, this is the beach, and we have a bay. Alright, simple. Number 21. A contour sketch from point R to point X would look like, and it would be C, guys. So it's from point R to X. This is a contour. You see the curves, guys? See? Contour going up, and then we have a slight down slope. So it's from this wouldn't be neither, guys. Alright. Number 22. The annual range of a temperature is approximately. So let's check the range, guys. Range in the forest. So alright, so we have from 250 down straight up back to 25 degrees Celsius, and we will fall between 10, 11 and 12. Alright, so this will fall between around like 12, 10, 11, 12. So the answer will be 12 degrees Celsius, guys. Number 23. Which of the following statement is true? So the hottest month of the year is also the driest. So that would be true as well. Number 24. Which of the following statement is true according to the population density map of Trinidad? Alright, so the map of Trinidad is the northwest that is densely populated. Alright, so it's northwest that populated densely. Number 25. Which of the point in the diagram represent the focus? So it has to do with represent the focus. It would has to do with Y, guys. Alright, right here. So this is a point that represent the focus. Alright. Number 26. Which of the following statement is not true of all the volcanoes? So they are erupted and violent. This is not true. Number 27. When magma emerge on surface, it may lead to the formation of and its lava flow. Number 28. It says potholes width tends to form on bed of river if the river has and it has a high volume and flow over a steady gradient. Alright. Number 29. It says as climb a mountain, the surrounding temperature and its surrounding temperature will decrease. Number 30. How does vegetation contribute to the development of soil? And it has to do with it decompose to form humus. Number 31. It says the slow downhill movement of debris and soil under the influence of gravity may best describe as, and it just described as soil creep. Alright, number 32. Which of the following weather condition is not shown in the diagram above? So as you guys could see, we have prevailing rain, we have winds, we have the island here. So we will not have a frontal rainfall on the mountain top. As you guys could see, there's not a frontal rainfall on the mountain top. Number 33. The main difference between weathering and erosion, and this one, I think this one was a common one as well, and it's the removal of material. Alright. Number 34. What is the correct order of the stage in the development of a hurricane? And it's tropical, disturbance, depressions, storm, hurricane. Alright, guys. Number 35. Fold mountain form where crystal plates move and they move towards each other. Alright. Number 36. Which of the following phrases define exfoliation? So exfoliation has to do with the peeling off of the outer layer of the rocks. Alright. Number 37. In the diagram X, and it represent, this one is a repeat one as well, guys. We see this one in the first video that I made, and it was percolation. Alright. Number 38, it says the dotted line represents, and as you guys could see, the dotted line right here is the watershed. Alright? Right here, guys. Watershed. Alright, number 39. Which of the following statement may explain why areas in Caribbean territory are sparsely settled? And I think this one is a repeat as well. And they are hilly forested, and they transport links and are generally poor. This one is a repeat question as well, guys. Alright, number 40. Which of the following condition is not likely to result from secondary manufacturing industry in the Caribbean, and it has to do with reduce the cost of living? Number 41. Rapidly urbanization in the Caribbean countries will result in and it hosts in housing shortage in cities. I think this one is a repeat as well. Alright, number 42. Which of the following features best explain the location of urban center in a sketch map? So let's see. Let me see. So presence of the land of flat, yes, and the presence of the natural labor. So that is 1 and 3. Alright, number 43. In which direction is the town most likely to expand? And let me see. It would be across the east. Alright? Across the east, guys. Just jumping really fast to the answer. Alright, number 44. Which of the following factor is most important in the location of primary industry? And it has to do with raw materials. Number 45. Algae nourished by waters enriched with nutrients grow in abundance over coral, causing them to die. The situation described above can result from, and it has to result from, sewage discharge. Alright, number 46. Which of the following feature exert the greatest influence on tourism in the Caribbean? And this one is a repeat one as well, guys. Definitely. And it's coral reef. Alright. Number 47. Based on the diagram, which of the location in the urban center likely to be found? And it has to do with 2 right here. Alright. Number 48. It says, which of the following condition is not a problem affecting the industrial development in the Caribbean? It has to do with size and labor force. Number 49. Which of the following circumstances are challenges to peasant farming in the Caribbean? I think this one is a repeat as well, and it has to do with lack of capital and then soil erosion. Number 50. The total output from a peasant farm is often low because they are all in very small farms. Alright, this one is a repeat as well. 51. Which of the following practices may harm the marine environment in the Caribbean? And it has to do with harvesting of coral formation for sovereign and discharge sewage industrial waste along the shore. Alright, number 52. Which of the following situation contribute the most pollution of the environment capital cities from CARICOM countries? And it has to do with discharge of exhaust fuels from motor vehicles. Number 53. Which of the following is a form of air pollution? And it has to do with smog. This one is a repeat as well, I can guarantee you guys. Alright, number 54. Which of the following practices may eliminate the problems of pollution created by organic household waste? And it has to do with burying and covering with dirt. I think this one is a repeat as well. Number 55. Harmful gases, liquid and solid, which affected the earth, its inhabitants, are examples of pollutants. Number 56, we're getting there, guys. Which of the following features indicate an unhealthy coral reef? And it's basically on the extensive area of bright coral. Alright, number 57. We have tropical deforestation. We have great overland flow, we have X, as the cats could see. So the answer says, what is the following consequences best represented by X? And it has to do with flooding. Alright, so flooding will cause soil erosion. Number 58. What other consequence can result from tropical deforestation? And it would have to do with the loss of flora. Number 59. Flooding can be prevented by, and this is the way, by preventing flooding has to be planting vegetation and then creating reserves for trees. Number 6, the last and final, guys, we're getting there. Which of the following action can be used to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases? And it has to do with the increased use of solar power and reduction in the use of fossil fuel. So this is the end of the 2015 Geography paper 1 questions. Most unlikely, guys, most of these questions will be repeating in 23 Csec examination, guys. So I want all of you guys to do study as much past papers as you can. And with all due said, make sure you guys do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you guys for watching and making it with Csec now. Alright, thank you guys.